Welcome to the Code with Reza channel. My name is Reza and I'm here to teach you Python. Today I want to do something interesting. I want to build a very simple Hello World Python app and run it on Docker. So let's go to the code. I create a main.py file, and in here the simplest thing that we can do is print hello world. This is our app, the simplest thing that we can do. So now the challenge is how to run it on Docker, how to build the image and run it on Docker. So let's create a Dockerfile. New file, Dockerfile. Now we need to add some commands here. First of all, we should say from Python version 3.11. So our image should be based on Python 3.11, means we need this version of Python to work with. And then work directory, we just choose whatever we want. This is app, this is the working directory for us. And then we'll say copy everything to the working directory, and then run this command. What is the command? The command is Python and main.py, which is the name of our file here, main.py. So we want to run Python and main.py. So that's all we need from Docker. Let's go to the terminal and create the image. For creating the image, there is a command which we need to say docker build -t, give it a name, my Python app, and the dot, which is for current directory. This command starts to build an image based on the commands that we specify here. So it first gets the latest version of Python, it creates a folder as a working directory, it copies whatever which is here, which is main.py, to the app folder, and then on the command line runs command.python. Not now, when we run the application. So okay, look at here. First, there are 3 tasks. First, it gets the Python and creates the image based on the Python and our application. Then it creates the working directory here. Then it copies, the same as what we said, copies everything inside the directory, exporting the image, exporting layers. These are some Docker things. And now I can clear everything, and for run it, I can say docker run the name of the image, which is my Python app. And look at here, hello world. Interesting, isn't it? It's exciting that with a couple of commands, in less than a minute or two, we are running our Python app on Docker. If you're finding this video helpful or interesting, it's a good time to subscribe to my channel to stay up to date with my latest content. We want to do a lot of these fun things in the future. Thank you for watching and see you later.